Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed everything that I've taught inside of this course. Now, no matter what I talk about, whatever it has to do with, I always want to give you the next step and the most powerful step forward to be successful. And the best way to do that is actually to get my free book, Sales Funnel Secrets. And what I'm going to be doing is giving you a special link. You can go to zach-miller.com/book. I'm going to be showing that down below. And when you visit this URL, again, I'm going to be sending this book to you absolutely free. All I ask that you do is pay the shipping wherever you are in the world, just pay that shipping to get it to you. So that's all I ask. This is going to be covering 300 pages of all my best materials. This is literally like 80% of my business, over a decade of my knowledge. I mean, everything from scripts, sales funnels, additional PDFs, documents you can follow, things you can copy, all of my exact emails that I use, everything you could possibly imagine about my business is inside this book. And I want to give it to you to get your best foot forward in being successful online. So again, I'm going to be keeping that URL down below. It's going to be showing. And I also want you to make sure that if you do get this book, again, this is almost everything that you need to be successful. Anything else that I talk about that I sell, again, that's just giving additional content, more bonus features inside of something that I talk about inside Sales Funnel Secrets. So this right here is, again, going to give you your best foot forward. I'm not trying to charge you, for my coaching, $12,000, $25,000. I want you to start here, all right? With my book, absolutely free. Just pay the shipping anywhere it is in the world, and you're gonna love it. With that being said, I wish you guys the best of success, and anything that I can possibly do to help you further yourself online, do reach out, because I love helping all of my students. Bye-bye.